Jimi JC400P, more than just a dash cam. What if your car could record, track, alert, and let you monitor it remotely, all from one smart device? Meet the Jimi JC400P 4G car camera, a powerful dual-camera vehicle monitoring system designed for drivers who want more than traditional dash cam recording. 1080p dual cameras capture clear footage from both the road and inside the vehicle, helping you keep an eye on what matters. 4G live streaming. Check your vehicle remotely and access live video through the network, even when you're away from your car. GPS tracking. Know your vehicle's location and monitor its movements with GPS tracking. Free app and web platform. Conveniently access your vehicle information and video remotely from your smartphone or computer. Wi-Fi hotspot. The JC400P can also provide Wi-Fi connectivity for added convenience on the road. Multiple safety alarms. Smart monitoring features can help alert you to unusual situations and improve vehicle security. DVR recording. Keep important driving footage for evidence, security, or simply capturing unexpected moments on the road. Whether you're using it for personal vehicles, family cars, taxis, fleets, or business vehicles, the Jimi JC400P brings professional-style vehicle monitoring into one compact system. One device. 2 cameras. 4G connectivity. GPS tracking. Remote monitoring. If you're looking for a smart 4G dash cam that goes far beyond ordinary recording, the Jimi JC400P is definitely worth checking out. Check the latest price and details below. Product link in the video description. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.